Okay, so if any of you are like me and your LG TV, smart TV, has had connectivity issues with the Wi-Fi, saying the Wi-Fi is not turned on, I found a YouTube video on just basically talking about the Wi-Fi connection or the Wi-Fi card connection. And what I had to do was, stand back for a second. So right here is where all the Wi-Fi Bluetooth connectivity components are. You don't have to touch those, and I wouldn't recommend it. But right here, you can see how all of those wires, at one point they were crimped over. I guess they figured it fits better. So I kind of straightened those out, come across here to this motherboard, and all those were also crimped completely over to have them go to the left. I don't know why they did that, but it was causing connectivity issues to my Wi-Fi. So I unkinked those, made them straight again, and went ahead and plugged my TV in. Wi-Fi worked immediately. So yeah, essentially all I did was take that back shell off, and I straightened out these wires, plugged it back in, that was it. I didn't have to touch anything. Super simple fix. I think this took me about, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes to unscrew every screw and get that back off. But I hope this helps.